Taking it off. Over to the table.
Higher space can take all of that. Put your tongue between your teeth and say that.
You work on your teeth for heat.
Then what I have in my mouth?
One thing where Rasta finger, you look like a ginger, no?
Yeah. It just come in the ingredients.
Come in what?
Ingredients.
The bucket are very low.
Yeah, I'll cut you back to that. Listen to boy, you're right, you know.
Who that? Dodo? Michael? I wanna go with a 2-star this link up.
Yeah. They're on the afternoon morning, you know.
I wanna go with that now.
With some chicken.
That me see.
Yeah, and some carrot dumpling that morning, yeah.
So what?
Carrot dumpling.
Eh?
And a ball say, you never see that yet.
Who a baller say that?
No, Michael.
Me, Michael, never.
British, you never see carrot dumpling?
Michael, the man name, Big Mike.
Big Mike, sorry.
Big Mike.
Sorry.
Oh, it's Michael thing. Big Mike is here today.
So you say Big Mike, you never eat carrot dumpling?
Never.
Yeah, Big Mike fan one Martel TV today on the channel. Up and run.
And him a go test some carrot dumpling.
Yeah, test some carrot.
So what you gonna do to that chicken there now?
Curry.
Curry? Why when you're done with curry, none left for nobody?
Not left for nobody.
And this is up here?
Yeah.
I have to try this.
You have to try this.
Yeah, because this is curry. This carrot dumpling, yeah? First.
Yep, so you know what we do.
So I'm to all the beetroot dumpling what we do.
And beetroot right there.
Yeah man, carrot and beetroot. You never did it.
No, never. I wasn't there.
So if you go on the Martel TV channel, you'd have seat on there. So you'd have subscribe and say what? Rastafari, I say you go on, but you're not subscribe.
You say nah tune
You're
in.
not tuning in for the channel.
No, never tune in.
Take him phone and subscribe to the channel there,
I
Rasta.
want to take your phone and make a subscribe to the channel. I say no, I go.
No problem, man.
Alright, general. Up and running by the one Martel.
One Martel TV up, you know?
Yes, straight
Black
and
and
running.
code.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Up
man.
and running. See it now, people.
One Big Mike I say it, man.
Chicken.
Let's see what Dodo going with.
Chicken me I look about. See carrot them and I greater.
Oh,
See
you
flour,
can't ball a 2 carrot that you get
We
today.
have more flour, remember Michael said.
Yes, so
Pound alone
so
and
we
feed
can't
it
meal
up.
it.
Yeah, we're very wrong thing. Them say 2 pound of flour. I said.
Oh,
See that
in
with
can't ball today though, you get 2 carrot.
Yo, my general go for dull greater. I'm a real
Take that
dull
out, we
greater.
take
You
it
can't
out
tell me
of
how
your
to
mouth.
know. My one. Everything that my mouth have for me. And I feel
Eh?
for me this.
So that thing may not know what you are going to say for you.
Eh? Which way that thing? Yeah, I eat that. I will this alone and then I'm my mouth. Cartoon, it is a cartoon channel with the fan. I'm split for feed on my mouth when me talk to at the time. Because one Martel TV, see there, up and running. Chicken and dumpling we are
So,
cooking.
Rasta, what Michael say, never see the great carrot dumpling.
Never eat carrot dumpling there.
Never eat
First,
carrot
if I go
dumpling.
Say
there,
never eat carrot dumpling. I'm telling him, say today,
it will be the day.
it's the day you're gonna eat carrot dumpling on Martel TV channel. Today
Is the day.
is the day, Wednesday. You gotta eat it, brother.
So, my dumpling
What dumpling you can eat today, bro?
right now,
Like when you
two.
need a Big
How much?
Mike.
Yeah, how much dumpling?
What dumpling you want, Big
My
Mike?
bargain for 8 dumplings.
All right, Big Mike. Don't worry.
Nothing less, nothing more?
Nothing less,
Or
nothing more.
or must more.
It can be less.
Must
It
be
can be less.
more.
It can be more.
More, it
Okay,
can be
Big
less.
Mike. I gotta see that they give you that today.
You say 8 dumpling.
Eat
So if
dumpling.
you don't want your favorite
Alright.
carrot, 110 then, no?
Which 10? 10 divided by 5.
Ah, God.
So, Rasta,
Wow.
what you can take on?
Me? Take on no me can manage.
Boy, you try to take on 5 with the and nearly
I like
spree.
that.
Lose it, the
You nearly
toast like
spree.
Take on it. Let's say me can eat 5.
Me say you nearly spree when you don't eat the 5.
And then Martin show me that too. I mean,
So on the butter, your butter.
Butter with spice like me now.
I mean, Rasta, remember you make we come out so late, you know? Too long we wait for you to eat the 5 dumpling there.
The man drop yesterday, you seen butter?
Yo, leave that alone. When you pop on board
Well,
that.
prayers go with him, man.
That's
Well, wish
my
the best
mind.
to him right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Prayers go with him, man.
All the prayers go with him. All go him round.
Want them here still, but prayers go with them, man.
Cooking will come about, you
They
know.
not cooking we talk about.
We just a send some prayers for him and call. Go along.
Say what I say. Me not fi talk on the Martel TV. When you just want to do dumb like you so, like all you. Then I said, I'm man in the back of the camera. Hey, every minute. I mean, I hear my go with nothing.
Okay.
Come up, come speak when you're ready.
That's the
Just
officer.
One channel, Martel
You
TV.
know, a long time.
Up and running.
Long
Long time, one bunny out there.
Tomorrow, so you step on cockroaches.
Yeah, man. See what you know.
Come out, man. Kind of behind the TV, so I know if you give Martel the TV, you can hold it by your top. By the road, man.
When you step on cockroaches, it's exactly what them.
So, well, let me ask you a question now. Listen a big mic.
Yeah.
Come round there, so in front of the TV.
Yeah.
Where Martel does say a while ago.
When you step on cockroach, you see what come out.
So, how him know say a cock? Ask him that. How him know say it's a cock? And that I want to know today Wednesday on the channel Martel TV. How him know say it's a cock that's in step on man?
You have to understand and know, you know. From you growing up till now.
I never hear that
Listen what the man have to say. They're talking, man.
Yes, I'm listening.
Listen.
Big mic.
You see, from all of us that grew up, come to think about it. Your mother, your grandmother, always say, whether you want to like it, yes or no, Rasta see the cockroach and kill him.
Never say about no cock.
Well,
My mother never say about no cockroach.
But
what you say?
Say see the roach, they kill him. You know,
Rasta,
how you know him?
Rasta have a valid question,
Yeah,
man.
not search them regular. You not do that. It's time to say that. Bang, step on him.
Come to talk.
Yeah, I come to talk to him. I want to action. Me the party there, I'm up and running.
Action pack.
Action till I'm running around the party now. One Martel TV.
Make sure that's
Fish
Korean
fry.
nice.
Curry nice.
I have 5 put on clear.
5, I'll have me a bunny out to the 5.
He said Rasta get 1-7 when he do look shrimp fries them man. He get a 7 and me say the man whole mood change.
How much you feel that game today?
Yo, we're not no filer.
How much? See camera there, man.
You see, based upon what me see, I go
4 man get.
go on in a idea.
I'm based on in track record.
And based upon where I go on,
Yeah,
nah, go lie. If this work out to how me see it,
yeah.
I tell you, to me, we give 100. But
Right.
if not,
Yeah.
half of the 100.
50.
Yeah.
So I'm to
Yeah,
0.
Squidly.
Yeah.
Up and running. Rasta did a share set up pass all the 100. I don't know that.
And look, you see, based upon where I go on,
Let me say it though. Seal, see there?
you see, based upon where I go on, nah, go lie you to.
The
Martel TV. You see,
The greater.
you see this? We come back to the good old days.
Then the greater, man.
And like we are talking about nothing.
That's why I tell them, say,
Yeah.
you see the artificial grace powder season when they have, that's why Rasta not dealing with it. And this we deal with the coconut.
Yeah, that nice.
Straight.
Yeah, man, when you see a grater like this, if you know, so we are use up a grater.
Yeah, man, I greater with it.
Yeah,
Straight,
man.
At 2 and we are busting like
No,
thing.
yeah.
Then I meat we are cook, man, I want to meat of
Think
well
you that
seasoned.
greater one in the flour.
Greater one than flour.
I remember they say your food kind of more spice. Have a spice.
Spice up. We never hear onion spice up flour yet. Ask people.
So flitters.
Yeah, that flitters
and flour.
No,
I spell
a
different.
flour that one a flour.
It spelled different.
Yeah, it spells flip.
Flip.
What you spell?
Flip. And flour spell F. And that a flip.
Flip.
Yeah, flip.
Where you say?
Flitters.
How food is
Flitters.
How flour spell that?
F. Flour F. Flour. Get the thing in action.
Rasta still a fair use sponge light fire.
No matter that. A fire me a catch.
Philly, you know, say to me.
No creative.
Rasta losing. Rasta ways. Normally, I use the big fire stick there.
And yield some looks. Get some.
No, that's out there.
So you know that generally use some oil wood or something.
Fire stick.
Firewood over there. We can't get the fire.
Beer, coal and gas stove, Rasta use from there.
Look at boy, look like him. How you drink, my man?
You drink something?
Like him drink too much orange juice overnight. Swelling my head. You see?
I crack, man.
Yeah, that crack, man. I must say peanut. Man say crack, man.
Based upon what?
Better make sure you don't boil this today, because I tell you, we have a 5 years.
While
Man know who crack today.
He's still there.
I know
You like skin up in your face.
Oh gosh, man. I'm fully on them.
Like, you know, like I was saying, you want to hear 10.
long time this way.
Your big Mike can tell him say 100 him a give him.
today night, but
Shamar,
Yeah?
you see based upon this where me are witness in the day, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
you say I have a 4 for him.
Two of me are going to share this, the view here upon this.
Yeah.
Anyhow,
Yeah.
me eat the first dumpling and my sister yo.
Yeah.
A quote.
Yeah.
Go on the road.
If you eat the first one. So what if you eat the first one and ain't up to standard? What happen?
Well,
0.0.
to me,
Yeah.
0.000.
Equals
We never fight against it
So
because
gonna,
from one
you
something
like do the cooking?
up there,
You know when time when you flick it
I
fast.
have a time on
No,
0.
in like when in that mood. When in that mood, you cook but in a cook.
Yeah. Alright.
Everybody feels so.
Alright. And when you enter with you never have a bad day, don't you?
You have to have a bad day as a chef.
Yeah, man, never have a bad day yet.
Sometimes man it's more salt.
Yeah, tell him.
And sometimes we put look too much.
Yeah. I prefer when it's fresh more than salt. I prefer asking, I prefer when it's fresh more than salt.
and you what? Like where do
You
you
get
see?
mute, you know, feel
Like when you see something go on when you pour the oil into the pot, why you pouring so many oil? You know, it is there to use.
Highway. I'll tell you. 3/4 highway.
How many oil?
We done tie out the aisle already in some 3x7 box, so.
Based upon what going on still, we already know the amount of oil we're supposed to use.
Yeah, but you know what you
so we measure it.
You measure for you.
No, we done tie out the aisle gear already in some 3x7 box.
No, you can't tell.
So you want more oil than that?
No, you can't.
So you go cook without aisle then?
Me? You can't tell me how to cook.
Wanna ask you?
Ca-
Wanna ask you a question, man?
One little bit we have for game.
Carrot dumpling.
Yeah.
Tell him. As well as
You eat it already, brother?
Fry fritters.
What? Okay. Make you hear. Do the way you say it name again?
Carrot dumpling.
No, I mean,
Flan.
no, you how you say it? We say fritters.
Flan like name.
Right name?
Flan. Fritters. Or flatters. You know what I mean? Or flatters you want me to tell you say it name. Or flan.
So we are going with the Rasta. Yes, Rasta, more water.
Yeah, and I like you.
You know what you want to say, Rasta?
Yeah.
You remember?
Yeah.
That's what you want to say,
Yeah.
man.
You can't see that.
You want to come back from that, you know?
And he can't get none.
Yeah.
No, sir, no, come, listen, man. I don't even like flour, so
You like flour?
that don't even matter to
How
me.
much you want today?
The one?
Alright. Alright, you're going to say half. Yeah. I chew a half.
You know, a beetroot in there.
You like the beetroot?
Get a beetroot, give me no man.
So you never want to
So
cook
get
the
a
last
beetroot, give me man, just catch up the color of sea like what is here, so no. One
You have
beetroot.
ginger and ginger?
Oh, man,
No,
so,
ginger.
yeah, watch out. Ginger carrot dumpling today. We don't want no more beetroot.
Yeah, I feel the ginger that bad.
Yeah, man, that give it a nice to cook it.
But go for a beetroot,
You
so.
don't have no beetroot?
No more beetroot, man. We don't want the red color there. Purple color there today.
You can't go inside to white still.
Ginger carrot dumpling.
Go have it now.
Yo,
Lick it
I
down.
10 we are giving for now, you know.
Yo.
Because we just sense it for
Sense it
dumpling
for
so it a bad, you
Go
know.
for a beetroot, can't come there. yo.
No, man, we do beetroot already, man. I
We don't
just
matter,
say,
you could have do it already, want to do it again. Let the people let you say, I'm a beetroot rasta eat on
All
the
right.
channel. One Martel TV, up and running. Take a draw for ice spray.
yeah, man, we smell all the ginger rhymes are flying in our ear already. Yeah, that dumpling I go bad, you know.
You're nervous to put the ginger in, right?
Can't tell us that no nervous.
But can I call ginger butter nice, Rasta?
Yeah.
So
The
ginger
ginger flower
dumpling.
was nice here, we have nothing wrong.
We never see this before yet, still, we not lie. You.
So that we are work today.
Carrot ginger dumpling.
Right.
One thing where Rasta finger, they look like a ginger, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, look. My finger they look like ginger, I see. All I have to do is eat it today. Simple as that. Yeah, eat it. Just eat it, that can look like a ginger. Simple. See? What's that go?
I lie.
Yeah.
So you say, I cut up my finger, put in there then?
No, me just your finger, you lick it off.
Yo, watch out, I cut the camera, car. Yes, Rasta. First, carrot ginger dumpling. Boy, I hope them dumpling and I come out ash.
Rasta. Yeah, but I give 5, you know.
I 10 you have to give, man.
No stick and stay, man.
Yeah, stay tuned.
Lisa,
See that? Ginger, carrot, dumpling from Martel's feed.
Oh God, man.
Smell the ginger right. You can't smell it through the camera. Not try to no people because this dumpling are going mad today, no.
Yeah.
Remember me telling you that.
Well, the one meal we not cook yet. You really say, boy, you don't eat and try. You're gonna ask if I
Oink, oink.
You do it?
Nah, cook it.
So, no, but Rasta, we have an honest reason. We have an honest reason. If me, me give you have on your gloves. You have on your gloves and everything and just
rubs. No pork.
You know me not like how you behave though.
Behave?
No, it's an overrated behavior that especially like how it's a meal where you listen. That is our overrated behavior.
50 grand.
You could have paid me $1 million. You nah cook no pork.
Yeah man, Rasta strong, he must stand out for that man. He must stand up on business.
Nah man, I camera more than 30 pounds. Me nah cook no pork. Me burn out pork.
Tell them.
Me burn out the aged and the hag them.
It's not a joke.
And not a joke, those babies not to stay around us.
The skin cut off.
I'm pretty like beef already
The
look.
skin cut off and look like beef and all.
Nah, look about him. Nothing to do with him.
Rasta, stand up on business people.
No pork around here. So if you don't think so, now we'll get Rasta to cook pork. We have a sad mistake.
But you eat beef though.
Beef, you me like when it roast.
Alright, me know what me I go do for trick you then.
You can't catch me with that, I know that. You can't do nothing like that to catch me. Me band can know that.
Disrespect, you come in there.
Yeah, you can't try that with me.
Man,
None
trick
of
if
that.
you eat pork.
You can't trick me, man. My mother bring me like that. Me grew a night. So
You know why? Pork.
yes, so me think that man can't trick me that no
So
pork.
when you used to eat it,
So all he lead
so
me
you
know
stop.
everything about pork.
So
you
when you
can't
used to
tell me
eat
no.
it, you like it spicy.
Yeah, yeah.
No, I'm a ask.
have to take it.
So how you did like your one best?
Doesn't taste good, man.
Nice.
Yeah, that's
So you say pork nice.
me don't know about it. You get your food, man.
Nice in our youth days, no?
Yeah, now you get your food.
So if it's nice near youth days, you know must nice near adulthood.
Anything your
In adult days.
in other those days, anything your parents give you, always nice.
So your pork was nice.
What? I'm not telling a lie not that time there. But not
People, we can cut all the camera in the video here, so that
Not
is all
now.
I wanted to hear.
That's all they want to hear. They vote nice them time there. But now,
It
I
nicer.
pick them time there now. Me not no choice.
It nicer now.
Listen, me not no choice.
You have a choice, you could just
No,
get
no,
hungry.
yeah, idiot, I'm dead.
No, say adversity builds strong men.
One guy a bit hungry now kill him.
Nah, kill him.
You can't give, man.
Adversity
Build
buildeth strong men.
You have to devour it. Remember say bong bang?
Deal with it.
And one thing she could have ball blood. Me I thought that pan channel. She could have ball blood.
Yeah.
She can't cook a meal and get rasta.
Why?
Family.
I may appreciate.
Yeah,
I may appreciate tomorrow. We're gonna put some calm in it, some roast fish.
Oh, yeah, why I eat that?
No, I
Say,
know.
mad, Raja. Never pass my throat.
I can't drink no porridge, none at all. I care what try, boys. So I know that alone.
Y'all don't know what y'all missing.
Yeah. Can't drink the porridge. Can't drink no porridge neither.
No,
boy.
sir, me can't man the ton calm. From me little until now, my mother steam it with coconut milk, with goon going night, and I fry up the fish for scrub it. Eat half the whole life fish I left.
I left him.
Get some peat, see?
Feed it.
Feed it until now, me the fling touch through the door. And then time me get lick.
Yeah.
That's me can't pass
You
me
should
throat.
get no beaten still.
No,
Rasta.
me tell her, so mama, dog food that can't pass me throat. She said,
Dog
well, yes,
food,
sir.
yes,
She said, dog food can't pass me throat.
So they feed you upon dog food, Rasta.
Then Camila, dog food.
You're
dog.
mad. Camille is so expensive, cannot be the dog food. So when you put it in the flour, then a dog food, you have to do it then.
What the restaurant name? Placenta, what the restaurant name for it?
Yeah?
What the restaurant name for Placenta or something like call it?
Oh, yeah, but then what the special
What's the
name?
restaurant name for it?
Fiddle what the little fancy
Not
name
sure.
then call it.
Don't call me.
No remember, but it have a little fancy name.
Placenta or
Gold.
placenta, something like
Gold
that.
I don't know, gold dust, but
No man, it have a restaurant name.
it have a little fancy name.
Yeah, but it tastes good. Yeah.
Meal at deal.
Yeah, sometimes cornmeal is nice when people prepare it, but they don't feel so fiddly.
You don't know about that part there.
You'll find one nice.
Yeah. You don't feel so?
With the red peas.
Not like
Man,
it.
you get some ton cornmeal, it has some mixed veg and anything there.
Red
Nice.
peas. Red peas.
Yeah, right, nice. Yeah, man.
Nice.
Oh God, man.
Nice,
Yeah,
oh.
potato salad, your cabbage cut up on my side and really, oh God, man.
Yeah, no, oh God, man, I was mad to blows up. Can't pass my throat.
Yeah.
I'm mad. Me drinking a amount of porridge.
Yeah.
Yeah, but me can't.
A sick people drink porridge.
No, sir. I know 6 people drink porridge.
I would drink porridge.
Porridge good for you.
That can't pass.
Why? Way night.
I would for vitamin and porridge, man.
Vitamin
Plantain
and
porridge. It's all plantain. Great your plantain and boil it all cook up with the said cornmeal. Bad, man.
It's a great idea, dog food.
It's dog food.
Yeah,
Another
it
dog
turns
food.
to cornmeal and
Yeah,
dog
when you
food.
cook it on dog food, I turn. You turn it, I turn it, then time if I get it, people get out. And I boil out it as liquid. So
Dog food, a puppetry and anything,
Yeah,
bad
that-
man,
that-
and little skin and anything.
I don't know about that and one day.
You said this to me, the curry, huh?
Babylon.
No, it's nicer than that one, yeah.
Why you say so?
Let me see it.
Yeah,
Let me see it.
have more
Hold
flavor.
them up.
A better pack, yeah?
A big discussion this today now.
That one, yeah?
Yeah, man, people, make we know.
Yeah.
Better pack
Yeah.
or regular
The
Thai curry.
Indian one. It's nice.
Thai Indian curry rich still, you know, I'm not lie, you know.
You get better flavor.
You burn Indian curry, man, and do your thing properly.
Yeah, use all that one and you burn that one, yeah.
Yeah, you smell the aroma of the curry at all.
Alright. People, you know, smell
You
it.
really smell.
Yo, this smell nice.
Them must smell it. Them must smell it. It smell good,
That
man.
one don't smell like other
That one
one.
smell
That
good.
one you
That
buy for real,
the
man.
Indian curry smell like one actual season, you know.
Ah.
When I'm color,
Alright.
Better pack of a color, you know.
Yeah.
Rich. But
Because
the flavor.
one thing with the better pack, you know, any dish you put that in, I must stain, you know. For life. Yeah, man, color rich.
I feel look here. Rasta season up the chicken and left the season one side.
Yeah,
No,
coming
man, I
up.
like that. That
Yeah.
bad, that bad.
You like that?
But do you want to do it though and make them intertwine? In bad.
In bad.
Yeah, but nothing wrong with them, I do, man. I right with this.
You
More
better-
time I saw me do my own. Me
better
not do
make-
it in the dish, but me
You
cut
better
up.
make sure it's nice.
Well,
Nah, man, I said every season I go
in get the right thing them to make it nice.
Rasta, you say, if today me give you 110, eh? If me give you 110 today, you see me?
If.
Me give you 5,000 like.
Yeah.
If me give you 110. So you work towards that 10 days.
Yeah, yeah.
That's that. Watch him now, watch him now. Watch him face. That's say alright.
I work towards it now.
What? See man have wipe up his hand proper now.
can't be direct now.
He's in that mode.
One idea, we can make, when say I want 4 with it, we can make 4 big floors up.
Yeah,
Can't be
all,
direct.
all like this. We
You
can
say-
make it.
alright, you say
Just
my
4
one
big
up.
cartwheels.
No, more my little, the meat kind for, in my one this up.
Right pan the
Right,
flour,
pan
top
top.
of the flour.
After it, when you go share out.
Yeah.
You can work now.
Yeah, some more my one idea.
This is what I want.
But if Rasta can't roll the look of flour, them
No,
pretty.
not really big
How you
one.
man roll them big ugly flour? No, sir.
Fast ready to have drop into the floor now.
If you can look how you man roll them flour, you know.
I watch me.
Yeah? Yes, no.
You say, man, I catch it good like you fiddle.
This is all me want to see today. What? Nah, go on, bud. You see where man go on with it now.
You learn.
Take time to have the box with it now your feet. You see?
You say ginger. You learn fiddle.
Yeah.
I'm team. You think you can cook like me? You know nothing about cooking. You just
Can
you just
cook
born
better
with
than
them.
you.
Better than me. You just born with them come out of eggshell good.
Yes, you come out of
You don't come out of eggshell good.
I
Them-
better pack curry.
A dinosaur.
You worse than dinosaur. See it there?
But me nah like fiddle.
Ginger dumpling.
The colour look good.
Yeah, yeah.
Ginger carrot.
I marinate right now.
there.
So okay.
Yeah, Rasta.
Yeah, then 2 flour you look good in a pot.
Great on the banana.
Yeah.
And put breadfruit in the dumpling.
Yes, sir. But
What you say, come back and
Yo, hey, say that again, Snow.
banana and the breadfruit in the flour with the caramel.
Great height in a flour.
Oh God.
Watch you now. Watch you now, man.
oh God.
Yes.
Oh God.
And that's the next thing we are doing. You hear that, Rasta?
Rasta not try.
Me? We try anything.
No, man. Rasta ready, man. I think you might think about it, you know.
If you do that, if to do the chicken, the center and roll over the...
Yeah.
You can do that,
You know,
yeah.
whatever you want.
Yeah,
The frog banana was banana, yeah.
Yeah, man, that would have nice.
Yeah, not the regular long banana, the frog banana, the short one.
Yeah, that would have nice. That would have. Cause here going, the frog banana them not really eat good enough, but for that purpose there, for that purpose, no, them not really eat good, but for that purpose there, it would have worked out well.
So when the boil, I'll tell you when
When you buy the frog, you have to cut them.
slice in that too.
Yeah.
Split. If you cook it go like that, nice.
True.
But when you slice it, it's nice, man.
When you slice it nice.
Versailles, you cook
No, you know, me not say it's not nice, but it's not the best eating banana. I'm not the best eating banana. Nothing like the Gross Michelle, man. I'm not the best eating banana.
Full of stain. Yes, stain come out.
Okay.
If you slice it, it's full of stain.
I test it when I eat
Alright. But that idea they won't go, man. That is a must. That is a must.
If you cassava dumpling, I do.
That is a must, man.
Ginger dumpling today.
Yeah.
Carrot, see them? That's I make them on the one them. Now fling one on your face when me done. Like you just
Yeah,
Hey, you know what I like?
Friend them pretty so you can do anything you want, man. But
start for your
You know what I like?
Yeah.
They cooking no plan or stage. Cause look how you just alright. Test piece of ginger in it. No.
That's how you go.
And I say
Right,
it.
yeah.
If you can fly out, it's good.
Yeah. You can't nice with the plan.
No.
No, it's, that's what I'm saying. If you don't have no love, if you don't have no love for it, you cannot manage it.
True.
Limit yourself.
Cause you got timid it and start fret. That's what I go come out to them. I have no frustration. Fret them on guitar and banjo. Split life.
But you know, you fret when you say a grading
I
time.
don't fret
Hey,
for
you see me with my
nothing.
plates.
No, you don't fret while you cook, but when you done
Me not
cook,
fret when me a
I
cook,
see the
me not
fret.
bread I use round
That's that.
after.
You know what I go do? I go compile a series of video them when time of grading time and put it and show you your reaction.
Alright,
I
no.
go compile the video. When time of grading time, man.
Yo, it no matter how me want look anyhow.
No.
100%.
I was
Yeah.
50%.
Yeah.
That is the plan.
But Fiddly, if friend,
No matter how Rasta want look when I'm cooking. When the food done, it's pleasant to you.
Yeah. We not deny that.
Grading time.
Yeah, man, him have a tense look and tense facial expression and everything.
Alright, people. You look for the end of every day when I grading time. Just look for him face. Old school.
You see, now that we say it, him a go try to fix up himself, you know.
Can't change.
When exam come out, you're fret.
No,
Let's say the exam
I
come
true,
out,
you
you
know.
go afraid.
When I see XC results come out,
You're afraid.
all when you know you do good, man, at then time they are afraid.
That's why I do the fret at the end.
I'm not afraid of nothing. And there's no end to your cooking. You just
Look
go
on all I CXE students, them, they're not fret during exam time. When results time for come out, man.
Yeah, fret.
You see, based upon when we see have going on here with them kegs, yeah?
What is a keg? What is a keg?
I don't.
So they ugly then.
Dumps.
They ugly.
You sit them here. I tell them about again for 8, but with a second for a dozen.
They say, love how they look.
Easy for
So
butter.
how we are going to eat them?
How am I going to eat them?
Like this.
Them not really require a lot of things to eat, you know, man.
You require teeth to eat.
Then what I have in my mouth? Eh? What is it?
Tooth.
Crusher.
Sure again. Sure. Right, look. Sure tooth.
Anyway, you want
Yo! You gotta get one time, man. You gotta get the
we have
evening.
to do the right.
You gotta get serious.
I get this out.
Yeah.
If Big Mike, you have a man in my dry here now. So we show you the tooth.
That is pork.
How you do? The Big Mike, tell him what you do.
Huh?
What you do?
I'm going to get my 1 dozen kegs in my dish.
Yes, sir. You can eat a dozen.
Oh, no, why is it around?
We sure set up those that go in there for you and eat much.
How much are we
You
roll?
pass a dozen already.
How much are we roll?
Roll.
Yeah, no.
You think so about this?
After you share, last cut dozen anything well if we have to just share. You have to eat the dozen though. Yeah.
It come with a cost?
No.
No.
Okay. But just do an apple, right?
Yeah. Here, don't give me.
It just come with the ingredients.
Come in what?
Ingredients.
The cooking are very low. It's not that, yo, pronounce the word.
Ingredients.
No.
I don't even what you want to say. It's my ingredients.
Yes, sir, British. Put your teeth between.
Put your teeth between your tongue and say ingredients.
Yeah.
Ingredients.
Ingredients.
What?
Yeah, yeah. I'll breathe it to you now. I'll breathe it to you. And when you're Big Mike, you know.
Yeah.
Greedy.
You know how much flour you want?
12.
Oh.
1 dozen.
At lunchtime.
At lunchtime.
At lunchtime.
You know rate with them.
You know rate with them.
You know I get nothing.
You know why we get nothing? In one white then.
Him not going to eat no dinner
You
later.
know him?
After he get them dozen
But
flour
you
there.
size belly where you have look like he has stand all 20.
Sure.
Look at the belly where you have. Watch that. Yeah, that pose.
Hey!
Jesus, a real big man.
I zoom in for the belly show. I give them a angle.
Think about this.
Think about this. Got some of this. Not belly.
Higher space can take all of
Fat.
put your tongue within your teeth and say
Get all that one.
that.
That's a fun thing life, fiddly.
Yeah. Blowing, did I blow it first?
Yeah, you blow Rasta.
Alio.
I know me, I am.
Old smoke.
I'm more Rasta blow.
Go with that blow. You see me a blow? That's the trumpet Rasta no blow.
Rasta, you know, something like chalice. You know, sub chalice.
Me no sub chalice. Me no sub chalice.
You blow a chalice.
Me no blow chalice either.
Where do you
Sip chalice.
Sip.
Where do?
Sip.
Puff it.
I water
Puff
you drink water
puff
chalice.
You hold my hand like this. And you put your
But
finger
how
over your
you giddy at it? Me don't feel like I'm puff, not a chalice to you.
thumb.
Giddy like ain't good.
And you can't buy that space, you know. Every bit of space game now and say, alright, take a one job. We're not
Me done it, finish, come for
Floor
now.
them ready.
Floor them up, Bobby.
Then floor them must bubble.
Wow. I ginger night make it a rise up so fast now.
Rasta.
You sick in there,
Rasta, you say how we done? Why you back to the water and a ginger beer for you?
For you.
Can you give me, you know?
You want ginger. Yeah, we can make some ginger beer juice for you.
And this
know.
a
For calm in nervousness.
For real, we are telling them about, you know, ginger beer juice, you know.
You ever believe
Natural, yeah. Natural ginger
No,
beer
so we
juice.
not can do
With
it and show the
stick
people.
And the ginger.
We don't,
No, we can do it.
and
What
ginger.
is true stick?
Juice you can use to clean it.
Yeah, the chew. Yeah, when you clean your teeth. White in your teeth, you know.
Nothing but natural.
Natural white now, you know.
Natural living me I tell you about. And I know, what they call superpower. No superpower, natural thing. You see me? Tell him how to your grandmother you tell her make that enough, Michael. Enough of that me drink. Me have to get me 2 bottles every week for them in our pay for it. Ginger beer juice.
Rasta.
Yeah, man.
Rasta.
Yes, I am.
Normally when the man them go down fall in like some people got fall in the beard, some of them don't really carry soap.
No.
You know what kind of bush them use?
Quack.
Quaco.
Yeah, it's so, you know.
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to fall into the beard of course.
So when you have beard, a beer man in a river have beard.
Nah man, you ever go on man? You
So you
are.
alone did have beard?
Yeah, because you have special time.
Tell. You alone now go there. You other man in a river.
No, man. Special time. Yo, look at that. Alright. Normally.
I tell you man in a river, don't go now.
No.
Yeah,
No,
but a beer man
man.
in a river.
You I cannot two fall in stay, see? Water run up there, so round there, so you what? Brother, you go up there, so go.
It's just the one spot. You know, got a special spot where they for man there. You have to go where woman them there. Them guys falling. And where woman them there, it's up, you know.
Yeah.
If you see a 10 woman up there, side, I mingle me, I go in.
Go beard.
Go beard, what you mean?
You're mad.
What you mean?
So how do they want to come to you?
No, me say, let me say
If
10
then they're
woman.
around there,
Whenever 10 woman up there, so me I go in and mingle and then the sun and there, so.
You don't want the water that
No,
come
if you
into
don't want
you.
the water, I wash away.
From your ask them and then say, yeah, and that's how we are go. Because we know how you feel like that.
Running water can't do nothing. This is right now, I
Hear
say
me now. It's like pool. Me not going to no pool up here.
Yeah, I'm not gonna be.
Because guess what now?
Me
I'm
not
one
gonna
person
be.
there. You have to, everything you have to
Something you
recycle.
never get in a pool yet.
No, me not going to pool
So
up
all you
here.
know about smoking will be the pool, right?
Yeah, I know me are going to go bed.
They say just build it.
Just build it.
What I know again, no, Rasta, it's through me.
Yeah.
Me know me a 2 times nearly down.
You nearly
Seminary, yeah, seminary.
So British, what are kill you? You get gunshot 2 times,
Mm-hmm.
and you nearly drown 2. What are kill you?
2 can't kill a
You can't, no, yes, you say you can't dead.
Oh, my thing set up right now.
Hands of God.
Father God bless this boy, Michael
So British,
Christopher
first shot when you
Alexander.
get your run, or a second one?
Here we go on. You see, first time I get,
Yeah.
you take on me bad.
Run.
Me
I
run
put
with it.
together a big belly, you get it now?
You see, second one.
How will you get the second one?
The second. Me no want to.
Nanny of a maroon style, man.
How you get it? From your seat back, then shoot.
Big Mike.
Shoot off, big
Tell the man
seat
himself.
back.
You see,
Listen me
second
now.
one.
Big Mike, let me show you a thing. Tell the man say. They take it unexpected.
Yeah, based upon where
you
go on.
want.
You
You
see
get a
based-
charter.
You see based upon where go on.
Just like how they need to get a charter to go there, say, you know.
Me get a charter, but
Yeah.
yeah. at
You
the
sit
end
down
of
in
the
the
day,
car and
I
wait
sit
for
down in my car
and wait
and
for the
wait.
woman.
So you see what happened to me? Could have reached
Anybody.
Anybody would live.
Yeah, and you go on. Two of me focus for me thing.
Yeah.
Me go up on a block, I'm in a certain about it.
Yeah.
Me car in a drive.
So say second, I get the shot. I drive.
Me no drive, me a drive when me get
You
it.
think I run out?
No, I was in my car. When whoever do them thing,
Yeah,
do them thing and we going on the way,
Yeah.
But
me just feel my foot just start.
that's how you get
No
the,
more.
that's how you get the shot. From the thing there.
I won't talk about that. But we talk about it in the next video.
Don't make him pressure you, you're gossip.
You know that you're here, huh?
Well, that is
Mike,
about it.
Big Mike, don't make the one Martel Channel TV pressure, you know. I see me love pressure people.
That-
With our things. You see, I say the same.
A piece.
Eh?
What's
You
a
love,
piece?
you love
But
pressure things.
yesterday, upon going,
Yeah.
I am glad
You are
to
like
be here
Today.
around all
All
of my
of
friends.
You are glad to be here today. That's what they
If you can talk about it.
Talk about it. I would have on the one channel, Martel TV, prescribed cooking,
Ginger dumpling.
with carrot.
And some fian chicken.
Yeah, well, cut you back to that, listen to boy, you're right. Yeah, I can't go and feel that back.
No, no lucky pot. Let me see what I go on, man.
Swimming, man, they're very looking good. Pretty
man.
colors.
So Rasta curry have over here, so bono.
Jesus Christ.
The chicken them a go black, man. No, enough for burn too long.
You can't get nothing.
A black chicken this, man.
Yeah, black chicken I get today.
You have
How you
to
want?
spin him up fast, man.
How you want to say? Brown stew.
Yeah, black stew.
Tell you, a black stew I get today.
So Rasta, when you hide and try the island knife, man.
You see the try? When me hide and try knife,
Hard light.
go look at this is all light close.
Hold on.
You left some?
I go look.
I'm gonna go see when you left.
Is it something after?
Hold it up, let me see there, man.
That's for after.
You look little.
You hold on now, people. A well left in should have used, you know. You see where that's there? But I'll make him go on.
Cause I'm a cut down. You wanna learn?
You might learn. One time I would all light.
Go on.
Don't Rasta?
Yeah, idiot, man.
Go on.
Depends on when I cook use all of that.
So if you have cook, what way do you use?
So if you're there, cook some goat, you would use all
All of
light.
that.
Your man
And goat spring oil?
Think you don't say for fried dumpling.
No,
you
sir.
use more.
You have to go to spring, right?
What you mean if it's spring oil? Goat have all heap of fat in it.
Rasta, you just cover your pot in there, you're not getting no time.
Fire. You can't tell me if you stir up pot. You have to stir up your pot.
Rasta, but you just cover
Yeah,
your pot.
but you can't make it just the one.
Put one side of the chicken down if you
It
brown
don't
it.
matter that. You have to stir up the pot.
You have to ask Gunnar about his comments about.
No, I'm looking. On the cooking.
Yeah, you have to ask Gunnar
I'm looking on the
all
cooking.
about.
Yes, you're looking on the
I
cooking.
wait and smell the rice.
That's a final review.
How much I gonna give him?
I don't know yet. I'm looking at the cooking.
Alright, then. That's a stay tuned.
Right, this is right.
Prescribe.
Prescribe, not subscribe. Prescribe. One injection.
A medication.
Yes.
Not subscribe, I
Not
tell you.
subscribe.
Prescribe.
Yeah.
Sit there up and running. Prescribe.
Healthy
One
cooking.
Martel TV.
Healthy cooking, prescribe.
Healthy cooking, prescribe. Loving the cooking, prescribe. Martel cooking, prescribe. Up and running.
Rasta get a 4, prescribe.
Rasta now get no 4.
Prescribe.
Martel is the one that always tries to give Rasta 4. No prescribe. No linger up on the corner. Up and running strong.
So Rasta,
Yeah.
you feel this go nice? Give me this
Well,
one.
my hand.
That me I do.
Put my head on what you are going. Make we get a
Pot cover smell good Rasta.
we get a flag with it for your head now.
Pot smell good.
We
Me ask you if you
we
feel
get
this
a
go
flag with the
nice.
flag cover for your head now.
What is that
With the
flag?
flag
Yeah,
cover.
Jamaica flag.
No. Put it up there now.
Wow, a first new season in a pot.
So much.
Ah, so when you do the curry goat, a someone you re-season pot to bad man. Said way. I teach you for the curry
They always re-season my pot. I mean, I left out no season.
Fiddle something got to
The fans have never said that yet.
Never. First in re-season a
One
pot.
season in the man.
One season.
Yeah.
One season me do.
Yeah. When you do the goat.
You say, let me just box it with this now. Your face, you know.
I lie me I tell Rasta.
Lie,
That's the God truth.
You're corrupt.
And you put in all the carrot from the get go when time the food done cook, me now have no carrot.
All the bean the last time in the curry, in a curry
Yo.
beef.
Everything is in
Yo, listen
All
up.
in one.
But it tastes good still now, we now go round that. Rasta, don't get me wrong.
It's a little ingredients when you can't come. Every time all you come with 1 carrot. And you want 1 per carrot. In your food. Or you get 1 carrot out of that smooth.
But if you is a 1 carrot,
then the 1 ingredient you can't come.
You're not for pressure out in one.
Pressure what? I cook out it.
Pressure.
I cook the cook it out. I mean I use no pressure. I mean pressure, I got a doctor. I mean I no pressure. See the people? We don't have no pressure because we no cook with no solve for your pressure. We just nice up the thing. And the thing is very nice. That's the people that feel good and good. See the people up and running. One Martin TV is prescribed up and running. Straight Rasta cooking. Never leave out the cooking. If you don't have no love, leave it alone. If you don't have no love, leave it alone.
Oh,
Right? Because the love you have in you carry the flavor of the food.
that is it.
That is it. Prescribed. Up and running. One love. Straight, me say.
Rasta,
You don't have to do no story. See?
hear that, peeps?
Wow.
Yes, I feel like curry soup.
Yeah, tell them,
So
man.
that's when I roll the spinners and put in one cock soup.
No.
This.
I'm just sitting here dinner.
Take
You think that soup you cook?
curry chicken soup, man.
Oh, that fiddly I mumble, I say.
So if you roll spinach, put in there. Things wet.
Since there's a reason.
You say, it's like,
You hear that, Rasta?
if I get it.
You hear that, Rasta?
Me? Martel, so that way you say.
Oh.
I how much of the ginger dumpling you want?
Ginger dumpling. What's me about that?
Yeah, ginger bulla.
You like ginger bola?
That ginger bulla.
So,
Yes, sir.
We have here even one, you
No,
test it.
I don't want no.
Why?
Me not try new things.
And a ginger alone, you know, ginger and carrot, man. How many pieces of chicken that you give her, Rasta?
Yeah, give him peace.
You're mad. That can't work.
You're when you want to give one fiddly. It's make it white like a calico son.
Then I carry ko yage.
A coke.
Fresh.
Mm-mm.
Fresh.
Na yate.
Alright.
Fresh?
Orange juice.
Do it.
Orange juice.
Yeah, fresh. Little bit of salt.
Salt and what that?
Nothing. Just little bit of salt. Because curry not fresh.
And not too much salt that door, Rasta.
Too much that now. Oh yeah, come here and taste it.
Irish stuff outside.
Yeah.
That's very fresh.
Irish suck out salt, man.
Oh, use a salt and give me back some.
You never know that, British? Right, yeah, man.
Use a spoon. Man.
Well, yeah, no?
Salt. When you cook.
You don't want that.
Yeah, right now.
Just like what? Just like what?
I can't tell the people in Sammy I have to teach you how to eat fire. Wait one.
Yeah.
That's why I time I said, boy, I'm not telling you wait one today.
Yo.
That's why you want to crown him, Rasta, with the pot cover.
General Panama TV with the pot cover and I say, yeah, you're a crown that.
Yeah.
They do say, well crowned.
Taste tester.
Yeah, taste.
Yeah, him is the man where always, when you're cooking,
I get it.
taste. I the one Martin TV, this man. See here? Right here, Martin. So if you do it right, you must say, Rasta, something wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah, prescribe.
I mean, the prescribe, I look back in my brain and say, oh, that's bad. Up and running. One
Cool.
TV. Yeah, yo. Woo!
I say, like how it look?
Yeah, you must have to like everything look at all time.
So I'll go on the pot. Look, peeps.
See the people? Alright, how with this? See?
Is that you that know?
Yeah. Up and running. Taking it off. Over to the table.
Careful, Rasta. Jesus, look how man want to dash your whole life.
Yo. This man. Can't go this.
Let me take it off here,
No,
Rasta.
I can't.
Look how much we only eat sauce of dumpling today.
Yo, let you go up right knife on fire. You see it now? How far running?
Watch it, people.
Yo, what I mean, ingredients almost fresh.
How the flour then look? It look alright, though?
Smell is there.
Almost big still.
If you don't smell the food,
What you say? Smell it?
yes, if you don't smell the food, it makes sense.
Alright, where you smell? Where you smell so far?
Smell Jesus so far.
See,
You smell the ginger, alright?
Smell good, I know
No,
nice.
if you don't smell it, you don't know if you can eat.
Yeah.
Testing that, the smell test pass now.
Oh, and win this, so.
Smell it.
So you say you get a 10 feet smell test? Alright.
So you say I give man 3 for
We
face.
don't know yet.
Alright.
It's a go and grow.
But this coming like...
Hear that, Rasta? Soon know which part the flavor wise.
I went then gone.
My hide, see him there,
Every
man?
time we come down to the party,
I
man.
beg you a split. I beg you a split on the channel. If you have time, can give it.
Tell them, weed no good for you.
I have ginger.
Weed don't good for you.
Good for Rasta.
Aya.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 more. Nothing.
Yeah, one more on you that.
Just full of aya.
Where's your Micah? You don't see your plate?
Rasta never make the flour them how I'm supposed to do it.
Why you say that? Because you don't see your plate yet?
Because listen up, based upon how many of us are here, when we look at the numbers, that amount of flour is not in the pot.
You fall short.
Because Rasta, there's no way you can cook
Rasta,
3 pounds
so
of flour and things like that.
You never hear Michael tell us say he want 12 dumpling.
No, this is that. So, yo.
It's in the bag.
If you didn't want 12 dumplings, all you have to do is buy a bag of flour. Buy a bag of flour.
Simple solution for a simple problem.
I like the whole bag. Today.
All days I'm gonna eat dumpling.
Days you eat dumpling, now you fry in the morning, you fry in the evening, you fry in the afternoon. You never short a dumpling.
Flit as him, man.
No, man, dumpling.
It's in the bag, Rasta.
Fiddle it look. White or it look yellow.
I don't know if I'm white or right.
Grandma, you say you want some curry on your thing? Bad man, you you need to.
Yellow.
People, there's a man here. I say I just dumpling he want with yam. He
Alright,
say
go
no
catch him
eat
review
curry.
then, Fiddly.
We'll catch him review upon this. Where him fork? Where's the fork for him? You can get a fork. Let's flick up that with you, yeah, my father.
Rasta, you know.
This what I eat, Rasta. I have pork head. I have so much blasted pork.
You say eat too much pork?
Man, when you have so much pork, you can't be eating right. He just done yam curry. He my ball ball curry and in yam pork.
Okay. My carry boy wrong things.
Wrong thing. And like the wrong thing, the devil of evil.
Stop call pork devil here.
Devil that.
Yeah, you eat that Rasta, you know no sense.
You know no sense.
If you eat a pork and stop eat the veggie chunk.
Be able to like vegetable. All these are blouse and skirt coke. That boy has smoke coke and I quiet. Remember me tell you that. Yo, sagly that
You must stop eat the veggie chunk and the may.
You stop me and pork.
Yeah, idiot.
That's why you look so.
Yeah, I eat the Rasta.
Yeah, I tell Rasta.
Yeah.
I eat the Rasta.
Well, I'm gonna get a review from this man. Test one I dumpling now, let's see what I go on feet.
Soon test it, man.
When I put up him like a baby.
Yeah, dumpling can go on, you know. So yes.
Yo!
Yeah, I can't get somebody else review. Michael, you ready for me?
Nice one, Michael.
Come, Big Mike. The biggest plate here, and I eat that. Yes, Big Mike. Visual presentation. How much you give?
Based upon this now, listen.
Come here, Rasta.
Before I do what I do, I'm going to do the right thing.
Yeah.
For health and strength and daily food, we praise thy amen, oh Lord.
Amen.
Amen.
Yeah, man, thanks be to God.
Yeah, man.
You know, say, although me always I say it now, man, I first live prayer this we catch upon the channel. Yeah, man, respect for that, man. I always say it now weird, you know, but respect for that. I hear what Micah say now.
Michael.
You know, so we should have blend up theme one. Never remember, you know.
Based upon what I want, and a fork me get.
A spoon.
It's a spoon.
Spork.
But watch out now, no? Damn! Spoon cut dumpling very well.
That we are talking about, because I cut up here, man. Yeah.
Rasta,
Up and running.
based upon what me taste,
Yeah.
oh God, I give you 100.
Alright, okay, brother. Okay, Big Mike.
Not lying. I
Okay,
give you
Big Mike.
100.
Big Mike is on the top, boy. You okay, Big Mike?
Martel, you give me 100 too?
This one, man, Rasta.
Yeah.
I give one 3 today.
Huh? No, man.
You're short of the court. You're short of the court.
You give him a 10. Alright, big up, big up. Yeah.
I give man 3 today, man.
No, man, that not sound right.
Put a little bit.
One man can give him 100 and one give him 10 and you give him 3. Something alright.
Remember, I can't give me 5 grand.
Oh!
Remember, I said I give me 5 grand now. I'm going to give me today in front of the whole like crowd. That you say.
Check out Culinary review there.
Yo! Father?
Alright,
Alright, if not ready for him, we'll come check.
Yeah, I don't really like calm it dumpling, but the texture feel like library in my stomach. Yeah.
Alright then.
Give him a 10.
You give him a 10. Alright, in go on good, man.
Go on good.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
And all 5 grand goes. Big up the 5 grand for the channel.
A 3 man guess.
You can't give me. Well, he could have given me 3. You have money to pay.
Oh, and he said if him get 10. He never said if somebody else get 10.
The man, one man get 100 already.
He said, so that 100 they cover all the 10 when you figure.
10 when you want.
You need your 5
You
grand.
need me 5 grand. Right away. Remember me tell you that.
Yo!
Them say half
I
the
make you taste here.
half the
No,
present.
you know, say one side I go tear down mine today. I now get no review, man.
Why?
I go one side go tear down my one today.
My review, up and run, because Rasta food.
Yeah, no, Rasta give himself
Yeah,
100, man.
No, me pass 100 for a man, because I chef for a man.
1,000.
No, me not say 1,000. Me not reach 1,000 yet.
Oh.
But me I give myself tonight. Rasta give me 100, me the 50.
Alright.
This is saying no nice.
Give myself 50. Yo. One more than dumpling I feed. Every day.
Ginger dumpling.
Yeah. Every day.
Need it.
Every
Make you
day.
give them where you feeling, forget the little one and the closing off.
Oh, you're not easy, you know.
Yo.
One.
Up and running. Prescribe. One Martel TV. Johnny. Road.
I meant to help you. That's not going good, man. Curry chicken, alright. The dumpling. Look a special ginger essence tonight. 10 out of 10, man. You know, so you catch up on next epic adventure. Rasta say, man, I'll give you some more. Where say I give them Rasta some breadfruit and what kind of dumpling?
Banana.
We now make up our mind fully.
Fiddly.
Look forward to
Rasta a fool, man. Rasta can't cook.
it. Eh?
Catch that small dog go eat something. British? Where it gone?
This is one.
Yeah.
See, you don't bring them?
Yeah.
I actually a dozen, but me only get 3.
Yeah.
I just a lot of crowd come. But me say, you get a 10 for me.
Alright.
It's a flower to your teeth.
Alright, pick out your teeth, Rasta.
Yeah, meat.
Meat in your teeth.
Rasta teeth, each flower, each of the Rasta teeth.
With the bombard, get arm to you.
No, each of the Rasta teeth.